Wala masyadong editing. Meron akong dalawang mug. We're gonna make mug cakes. So I do have flour here. So we need 4 tablespoons of flour for each mug. So this is a cake without eggs. At saka single serve lang siya. For this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. Ang init. Papawisan na ako. Aga-aga. Again, for each mug, 2 tablespoons of Hershey's Cocoa. Okay, tumutuloy yung pawis ko. Grabe. Okay. Sobra. Lately, we just have been buying and ordering food kasi nga sobrang init. Kaya ako mapagod. We're gonna add baking powder. Ito half a teaspoon lang. Okay. Para umatsa siya. Ganyan lang kakunti. Gamit tayo ng Splenda. We're gonna put in 4 each mug. Pag-isa kami ng anak ko. Dark chocolate coffee mug cake. So, I don't bake talaga. Lahat ng alam ko sa baking, natututunan ko din yan online. Or I browse through recipe books. So you just mix this in. Wait lang, dadagdagan ko ng tag-isa pa. Kasi nung last time na ginawa ko ito medyo mapait-pait because of the coffee. And then, nag-brew ako ng coffee kagabi. Hindi ko naubos. So, we're gonna use this of coffee. Brewed coffee. I just mix it. I forgot something. I forgot to add oil. So we're gonna add a flavorless oil, which is 1 tablespoon lang. You can add, let's say, Nutella or chocolate talaga. So you have the mixture like this. Now, what I do, I'm gonna add cream. So we're we're gonna microwave this for 1 minute. Okay, so after 1 minute, ganito na siya. Oh, mainit. Yan. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in some cream ulit. Ayan. And then, ilalagay natin sa ref. Nag-i-improvise ako ng steam paper. So, meron lang ako ditong coffee filter. Pitin lang natin. And then, so, para pag nag-steam siya, ito siya. Ayan. So, I have dumplings. These are pork and shrimp dumplings. 10 lang to eh. So, kain na namin yung kalahati. Kain na namin yung kalahati. So, these are, what do you call this? These are from, ayan, Tupi dumplings. So these are handcrafted dumplings. So it has pork, shrimp, mushrooms, spices, and squid ink wrappers. Green onions. Sana pwede pa. Pwede pa. Okay, let's just wash them. We're gonna use their signature dumpling sauce. Natikman ko na to. Masarap siya. Masarapan ako. Although, ang comment ko lang dito was that here, ayan, naiiwan yung sesame seeds. Sana sa packaging hiwalay yung sesame seeds para ano ba to? May crunch pa siya dun sa ano, pag kinain mo yung dumpling. Garlic salsa, marami nito. Lagi ko na nga lahat. Bango talaga. Okay. And then, I'm gonna put the garlic and onion chili crisp. This is my favorite. Yun lang, isa lang nito. So, sana mas marami. Bigyan na natin lang. I'm just customizing the sauce, okay? Hindi kailangan gayahin nyo. Let's add this, the Szechuan chili crisp. Bago to eh. Oops. Tama na. Sumobra na sa 10 minutes. Oh, nice. And then we're just gonna microwave this. So, for the other sauces, itatago ko na lang muna. I have a lot of the chili garlic salsa. Tapos, nag-iisa itong hot and sour sauce. Isa rin lang itong black vinegar and mushroom soy. We're gonna use these with the other dumplings na pinadala nila. So, lalagyan din natin ng green onion later. So, let's start plating. Natikman ko na tong dumplings na to and I love them. Sobrang natuwa ako sa dumpling na to. It's so meaty, plump, and juicy yung shrimp. And then, what do you call this? Siksik sa laman. Tsaka masarap mismo talaga yung dumpling. So, I just added green onions. Ito na yung ating dumpling sauce. Tikman ko lang the Szechuan pepper. Nilagay ko lahat. Tama ba yung decision ko? I think okay na. Hold on. Ilalagay ko pa yung isang signature dumpling sauce. Ang anghang. Okay. Woo. Let me just clean up the plate. Plated by me, of course. Yan. So, that's the sauce. Pork and shrimp dumpling. Nag-ano tayo ng green onion. And then, pinaghalo-halo ko na yung garlic salsa, chili garlic, Szechuan. And this is the pork. Next up, we're gonna cook the vegetable gyoza. Ayan. Again, from Tupi Dumplings. Natikman ko na rin to. Just 2 tablespoons of oil. Non-stick naman tong ating pan. So, let's just place the dumplings here. We're just gonna crisp up the bottom of the dumpling. Medium heat lang. Para maluto. So for the vegetable gyoza, this is made of bok choy, shiitake, fried bean curd, and malunggay. Kaya green din yung wrapper niya. No. Once the bottom is brown, golden brown, we're gonna add water to steam it. We're gonna turn up the heat and steam it. This is gonna be boiling and steaming for 5 to 7 minutes. Let's make it 7 minutes para lutong-luto. Vegetable gyoza are cooked. Let's add our sauce ulit for this one. Then we're gonna add green onions ulit for color and for freshness. So this is the vegetable gyoza. So here you go, the 2 dumplings. We have the vegetable gyoza and the pork and shrimp dumpling. Yan. Vegetable gyoza and the pork and shrimp dumpling. Next time, maglalagay ako ng cilantro para mas masarap. Okay, pakita ko lang yung mga dumplings na pinadala nila, no? Ito yung isang variant, pork dumplings. Nakain na namin yung isang bag nito. And then we have, ayan, xiaolongbao. Ito, si steam lang to. And And then, we have the chicken ginger or chicken garlic and ginger jiaozi. So, saka na natin i-prepare to because again, ang dami na nung niluto ko. So yeah, if you wanna try out their handcrafted dumplings, just go to Instagram. It's 2P Dumplings. I think yung package na nakuha ko, if you get 5, you get additional 1 na free. Kaya dalawa yung pork dumplings ko. And then they give you all of the sauces na nakita nyo kanina.
Pwede na kumuha?
Oh! Wait lang. Of course, I made that for you. Because, you know...
What is this?
Vegetable. Medyo spicy, ha? Let's have the vegetable dumpling first. Okay. Maalat ba? Anong lasa? Manghang. Lagyan natin ng lime. This is the brand that I use for lime juice. Ikaw na lang maglagay, ha? Kanya-kanyang timpla na. Then, I'm gonna add a little bit of Knorr seasoning. It's just me. I want something citrusy. Ito ko yung naman. Ganyan. Okay, ganyan yung laman niya. Again, this is bok choy, shiitake, fried bean curd, and then malunggay wrapper. Mahap yung isa. Pork and shrimp. Mahap din to. Kaya lang pure gulay kasi. Harap. So yummy. Now let's try the pork and shrimp dumpling. Yan siya. Sarap. Sarap yung black, no? Maulit yung black. Maulit ito. Or seasoning. Kunti lang. Bye. Stop. Ay, ulit. Susubo ko lahat to. Kasya ba? Hindi kasya. Masyado malaki. Sarap. na sinasawsaw kasi ganun din naman. This is all yours na. I'm full. Ganito yung ano niya, laman niya. Yan, siksik, diba? Okay. So masarap. You like it? So again, I got the dumplings from Tupi Dumplings. If you want to try these handcrafted dumplings, go ahead and check their socials. Ililink ko yung mga social media accounts nila dito sa description ng video na to. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para naabangan mo yung mga upcoming videos ko, food videos and recipes. Thanks again for watching mga kakusina. See you again on the next video. Bye now!